if you have children or your friends, family having child, this video is very important. Please do share this video with them. We're going to speak about primary tooth decay and why is it important to treat primary tooth decay. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running a dental centers at Chennai, Raja Annamalaipuram since the year 2001. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel Pearls Dentistry. We've got a whole bunch of video coming out in the next 1 year. So primary tooth decay. So typically when when we meet patients, when parents bring their children to a clinic, many instances I have seen parents ignoring the decay that is happening on the primary teeth. There can be many reasons. One, of course, they are scared. What's wrong, because they are scared. Not only the child is scared, the parent is scared. So if I take my child to the dentist, what needs to be done? Will my child cry? Will it going to be comfortable for the child? Whether my child is going to experience pain? So they are scared. Second is, they assume that the primary teeth decay, it's only a milk tooth. The milk tooth is going to fall off, and anyway when the new tooth is going to come, it's going to be fine. So there is no need to treat the primary tooth decay. That's the second main thing. So of course the third main thing is basically they're ignorant. They don't take enough care to monitor the child, whether it's brushing, to check their child's mouth to see if there is any new decay that is developing inside their child's teeth. So basically they have been ignorant to the fact that there is something that's happening in the child's teeth. Fourth, it can miss out a rise, because sometimes primary teeth decay can start between the teeth, which we don't see at all, and only when the child is complaining of a swelling or inability to eat food, we actually realize that something that is wrong with the child's teeth, and then we rush them to the dentist. So these are the four commonest causes where primary teeth decay is being ignored. So here we are going to see why we should not ignore. Most importantly, we should understand each of the primary tooth, like our permanent tooth, has got a specific function in the mouth. And importantly, primary teeth also helps in the speech of the child, development of the speech, development of the normal function of the teeth, and also normal psychological development of the child. If the front teeth is not there, it affects them because they play with their children, and then unsightly front teeth with black colored teeth, decayed teeth affects them, and if the teeth is also lost, also affects them. Of course, if it's a molar back teeth, chewing teeth is decayed, it affects their chewing habits. They tend to avoid some foods, and so the nutritional deficiency can happen. So these are the main problems that can happen. So also what we should understand is, any primary teeth, as I said, it's going to serve some specific function. It lasts for a certain number of years. For example, the milk molars last till the child is about 11 to 12 years of age, and they come out when they are 2 to 3 years of age. So it functions almost 10 years in the child's mouth. And if the decay is going to happen when they are 5 years old, 6 years old, they can't be without a molar teeth for the next 4-5 years, or keep suffering from pain for such a long time. So it's very important that we treat those teeth. Also, what happens when we don't treat it, the infection in the primary teeth can spread to the permanent teeth and affect the permanent teeth also. So that's the reason why it's very important that we can't leave any infection in the child's mouth. That's the second most reason. Third reason is, if at all by chance we remove the teeth, what will happen is the adjacent teeth can move into place, close the space, and make the permanent teeth not come out in alignment, giving rise to crowded teeth. So always in that case, we should do what are called space maintenance. Of course, we will do we can do a separate video on what space maintenance are and how they help the children. So these are the three main reasons why it's very, very important to save the primary teeth. Why a decay on the primary teeth should not be left untreated. We should always take immediate action. Of course, prevention is always better than cure. So if you have a child, it's very important you monitor the child's brushing. You use a fluoridated toothpaste for children above 2 years old, but make them monitor. Take the child to a dentist once in 6 months to get some to checkups done semi-annually, to and to do what are called sealants there to protect the children's teeth from decay. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running a dental centers at Chennai, Raja Annamalapuram since the year 2001. Until next time, bye bye and thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.